eating this corner, this bend. Okay, let's go back to the place where I lived when I was small. This one. Okay, this is the place where I lived when I was small, a Chinese village. Hi, good morning. And let's continue to the second episode of my going back Ipoh journey. Here, I just stayed one night overnight at my mom's house. In this place, here is called Menglembu. A small town lies 5 kilometers southwest of Ipoh city. And if you have been to supermarket, searching for groundnuts, you will always notice the groundnuts packaging will always written with Kacang Menglembu or Menglembu groundnuts, because here many years ago is a place well known for producing largely grown groundnuts. But that was the history. Now it's no more. But our packaging company was still associate Menglembu with groundnuts with Menglembu, because this place has established its groundnut agriculture for so many years. And this one is here in front of me is the morning wet market. This place here is the Chinese village, also divided into a few areas. So the Chinese village here is actually separated by this river here. On the left we have the east side, Menglembu East, and on the right here is Menglembu South. Menglembu West is located right in front, and that is also, they call it the Chaogepang here. So in this road here is actually separated into two. This one here is the main trunk road. This one is going to the Menglembu town area. Both are running parallel together, joining back to the end at the roundabout, heading towards Ipoh. Here at the back here is heading towards the end, which is a place called Lumut. This one on the left is the Menglembu post office, and I occasionally come here once a month just to pay off those utility bills and also Astro bills. Previously here on the left here, this one is Wang Yiseng, but I think he already retired from being a doctor. Okay, so turning in here is a very famous, many years ago, for people looking for food. Here is called the Manimung Waisekai, especially during the Saturday and Sunday night, selling variety of foods and drinks. Normally they block all the cars from coming in, but now that has been history. Here on the right we have our Menglembu cinema. Maybe that is a Cathay cinema. Many years ago, which was then being closed down and become a amusement center, Master Q. Normally we address it as Mataliu, but now has been demolished and make way for new shops. Menglembu here is a very small place with very minimal development, because all those younger generation, like the generation X, Y and so on, has been leaving Menglembu to other cities for better job opportunities, including me. Most of my friends has gone to like KL. Some of them are in Penang, Johor. Some of them go as far as overseas, like Singapore, Taiwan, UK, Australia, US, and so on. This one is called the Jalan Transel. Oops. Heading towards the end, that is that one. The very tall is called the Kledang Hill. This hill is rising above 800 meters above sea level. Very notorious for its trekking activity. All the people all over Ipoh will often come here for just hiking up the trail. A few trails available. I normally come here every Saturday when I was small, hiking the trail 4-2, which using about 45 minutes to go up to that point. This one, the junction here, is the Ipoh Lumut Expressway. And now I have arrived at the foothill of Bukit Kledang. I think I haven't come back here for almost 10 years, and here's changed a lot. So normally here in this area is a ground with there is no, just some forest with I think just a few trees, very less, not like today's. It's all blocking the view. Here the view is very good, very beautiful, overlooking the entire Menglumpu town and also Ipoh city at the very far end. Here now is all covered. The view is not nice as compared to the years before when I was small. So it has been 4 hours. I round and round and round here in my birthplace, flying my drone, and now it's pretty chill now, as the temperature in Ipoh is always a little bit cooler than Penang. Even though now it's already past 12 in the afternoon. Today the weather is shady, so now I'm heading back to my home, to my mom's home, bring her out for having some lunch, and then I'm going to pack my things and head back to Penang. So that's the end of this episode, and I hope you all did enjoy watching it. Please do remember to remember to give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and Happy Mother's Day!